Hi everybody, it's Tim from EngineFactory.com. We just finished building these three beautiful turnkey package engines here. Go over some of the highlights on our engine builds. First one here, we have the 350 Chevrolet 400 horsepower turnkey package engine ready to go in stock. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. We have the late model 4-bolt main block, one-piece rear main seal, brass freeze plugs installed, brand new balancer, brand new water pump, double roller timing chain, roller lifter camshaft in there. The aluminum cylinder heads are on there. All the roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set. Correct oil pan on there. We have the real nice Taylor ignition wires in blue with all the wire markers. Chevrolet valve covers. The air cleaners on there with the washable filter. Thermostat housing. Thermostats installed. Aluminum intake manifold. Throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket, MSD ignition coil. We installed a small cap distributor on this. That's real important. Certain vehicles need that for firewall clearance, so we installed that. High torque mini starter, chrome dipstick and tube, correct automatic flex plate will always be installed for your transmission, proper tooth count and balance for the 350 Chevrolet. High flow fuel pump on there, all the heavy duty Russell fuel lines, gas filter, all the fittings installed for you. Every engine is live run and fully tested at the engine factory for over 45 minutes. You'll see a video of your engine running in stand. You're going to see the manifold vacuum reading, water temperature, oil pressure cold and hot. We dial in the idle mixture screws, we set them perfectly for you. Set the ignition timing. Engine will be completely, fully tested, drop in, ready to go. This is our second one here. We have the 350 Chevrolet 400 horsepower also in the Chevrolet orange with the polished intake manifold and the 14-inch air cleaner, the real nice Chevrolet valve covers on there with the red ignition wires. This one has the HEI distributor on there, and this one is ready to go in stock. This is our third example here. We have a 427 Ford 540 horsepower engine we're building. It's the AFR aluminum heads. All the roller rocker arms are fully adjusted and set. 4-volt main, brand new block, new balancer, new timing cover, Y-end intake manifold on there. And then we have our 302 Ford here, 350 horsepower engine. Front sump oil pan, chrome dipstick and tube, aluminum intake manifold, AFR aluminum heads, all the roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set. So there you have it again. This is an example of three of our engines here. And then we have the 302 Ford over here, ready to go. It's a family owned and operated business, been in business since 1969. When you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554. or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Thanks for watching.